Mott Corporation was established in 1959, and it's one of the only filtration brands that offers custom solutions across all different industries and markets, including clean energy, semiconductor, chemical processing, oil refining, aerospace and defense, healthcare, and medical. Mott wanted to look into additive manufacturing as a way to broaden our design space beyond what our conventional means had offered at the time. Things like geometrical freedom, where we can create filters with increased surface area, which improve their productivity or their efficiency. Metal additive allows us to get into rapid design iterations, to get products into our customers' hands sooner. They can test proof of concept parts, they can test a variety of samples through their development phases, where some conventional means might not be as quick to provide that solution. So Mott has several applications of additive parts we've developed over the years, and these span across our differentiated product line, everything from filtration to flow control to thermal management. We make these parts in multiple materials and alloys, and a lot of them rely on consolidation of pieces, again, the solid hardware into the porous component, and especially leveraging the unique geometries that conventional applications might fall short of being able to create. Mott chose Renishaw because of the flexibility of the systems that they offered. The open architecture and parameter editing, the build schemes and the setups of all those parameters allowed us to have the ultimate freedom in the development of our process for creating engineered porosity. This is something that hadn't been done before. So in addition to that, the support and level of engagement from the applications engineers of Renishaw was immensely helpful in part of that process. So the AM business right now is kind of a mix between proof of concept, prototype development, small lot production runs, as well as internal R&D efforts. So we continue to improve upon our processes, come up with new medias, new levels of performance, in addition to supplying our customers with some unique solutions, whether it be at the proof of concept stage, something they've never tried before or have never been able to make, or looking into production runs, small phase field tests to gain more acceptance in a production scenario.
Manufacturers today are looking for opportunities to generate real parts and real revenue using additive manufacturing. Mott Corporation is delivering on those opportunities today. Mott is producing highly complex, mission-critical components that employ engineered porosity and a level of performance that leads the industry, and we're happy to be part of that success.